Hey VanGang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is LaToya Princess. Today's video is going to be a start to finish wig install as well as a review on this hair that I got from Megalook. This is my first time working with this company, and growl. Do y'all see this wig? Like, I've been wanting a wig that had highlights for so long, and this is just perfect. Okay, this came right on time. Like, I love this look. I love how it came out, so sleek, so beautiful. The quality on this hair is A1. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna show you a quick unboxing, and then we'll get into the wig install, and then I'll give you all the specs you need to know on this unit.
Shorty bad, slim, big. She might drug, she might fix, and I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the go.
So today's video is sponsored by Megalook, and this is where I got the hair. This is the packaging. As you can see, it is a 22-inch unit, and inside there are a few goodies. So the first thing inside is this little box of eyelashes. Okay, and then there is a bag of goodies. So the first thing in the bag is another pair of eyelashes. You get this silk scarf. It's like a little headband. You also get a wig cap in the color nude. You get this hair clip that is so cute and fashionable, as well as a edge brush, comb attached. Then you get the unit, which is this balayage highlight wig. It is so freaking pretty. It is a lace wig, and as you can see, it is full 180% density, 22 inches. On the inside, you have adjustable straps. You have like 4 combs. It is so secure. You also have a elastic band attached, so the security is there. Okay, so I am back and this is my finished look, and I love my hair so much, y'all. Like, it came out so beautiful. Oh my god, like, it came out so beautiful. Okay, so this wig is from Megalook, and this is their balayage highlight hair, and it's in the transparent lace. It is a lace front, so only the front is lace. It was pre-plucked. I did go and do a little bit of plucking. It says that it comes with baby hairs, but I also had to create my own baby hairs. I didn't really see too many baby hairs. This is in the honey blonde brown. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks really, really good. So, all right, everything is perfect except this one little spot right here. It's a little blotchy, but outside of that, the rest of the wig, fire. Like, everything else about this wig is on point. Okay, so I have the wig in 22 inches. I was kind of nervous because I don't like 22 inches, but I will say it looks really good. So it comes like right to the bottom of my breast. It looks so pretty. It looks so healthy. Oh my god. It says that this is actually from one donor, and I was kind of already leaning towards telling y'all that I think this was raw hair. So the fact that it said on the site that this is from one donor basically confirms what I was already thinking, and that this was raw hair. The quality on this hair, girl, this is not your average virgin hair. You know if you've worked with raw hair, you know it when you see it, you know it when you feel it, you know when you come across it, you know it when you're styling, and I knew for a fact this was raw hair. I knew it. So when I read that it was from one donor, I was like, okay, I like that, because not a lot of these wig companies are gonna give you raw hair for these units. So I think that this wig is like a must-have in my opinion. If you're looking for a wig that has some like streaks in it, or this type of look, and you want some color, but it's black, but you want a little color in there, this is the unit for you. So in all of my videos now, I don't know if you've been noticing, but with my hair reviews, I have a list that I go down and I try to give you every single detail on this list. Okay, so we start with luster. So the luster on this hair is high. It is very silky, but I do still recommend that you use some type of oil because it is colored. Okay, you want to keep colored hair moisturized. Now when it comes to shedding, I will say that it definitely sheds. It was shedding a lot when I first started, but I really do believe that is because I was plucking. I plucked the hairline, I plucked behind the hairline as well. I plucked when I tried to get the baby hairs to thin out, so those hairs were coming out, and I think that now that all of that is out the hair, that I am not having any issues. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through the hair and just see if anything comes out. Nothing. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Nothing. Okay, so I think that it's safe to say that the shedding for this is minimal. Okay, I'm gonna say minimal because I'm still not sure, but I'm just gonna say minimal. All right, so as far as tangling, I did not receive any tangling whatsoever. No snagging, no matting. As far as can this hair be colored, yes, clearly it could be colored because it was already colored. But if you want to go in and add a color on top, then you can definitely do that. This hair can definitely be flat ironed as I showed you. I also hot combed the hair, so you see that it does take to hot to heat well. You should be able to curl this hair. I definitely think you would be able to curl this hair. If I could flat iron it the way I did, and the way this feels, I know for a fact that you could curl this hair. I originally was going to do a side part, and I was going to do some big curls going back, but then I was like, you know what, I really kind of want to see what this looks like with a middle part, because I just was feeling like middle parts today. Like, I just felt like I wanted to have a middle part today. But being that this is a lace wig, I could go back in. It's a frontal, but I could definitely go back in another time and restyle it with a side part the way I was originally thinking. So that's a good thing about this type of wig. The longevity says a year or more. Honestly, I really just think it depends on how well you take care of your unit, because if this is one donor hair, their hair tend to last way longer. Okay, so it usually lasts about 5+ years. It really just depends on your care. Okay, so my wash routine was very simple. I would definitely recommend that you use products that are sulfate free and that are specifically for colored hair, because this hair is colored. Okay, so you just wash it. You use a very good conditioner. I would say let it sit in condition, so you deep condition it for a little while. Something very moisturizing and hydrating. You want to keep those type of products in this hair because it is colored and you don't want the colored hair to start breaking off. So I would recommend that you do not like curl the hair or add heat to the hair 24/7. Do something simple that you don't have to keep styling your hair. That way you don't damage the hair, if that makes sense, because it is already colored. So, you know, they bleached it. You don't want to go in and continue to add heat and then it starts breaking off. So I would say do something a little simple that, you know, the hair could take. As far as products, I am using the Design Essential Silk Essentials Oil because it smells good. Not that this hair doesn't smell good, because it doesn't have a scent at all, but it smells good. It is a great heat protectant, as well as it adds shine. And it helps if the hair is dry, so it moisturizes it, adds, you know, some niceness to it. It really makes it feel way more silky. I absolutely love that product, and I only use a little bit because, again, the luster on this hair is already high. I don't need to add too much product. So shipping on this unit is 3 to 5 business days if you're in the US, and other places is 5 to 7 business days, which isn't long. So if I had to give this an overall rating, I would give it a 10 out of 10, honestly. This is a wig that I would say is a must-have. I feel like I've been getting some great wigs as of late, but this wig is, it can't be messed with. Like, I would definitely recommend this wig. Absolutely. If any of my friends was to hit me up like, girl, I need a place to get a wig from, I definitely would say this company. This wig is fire. Soon as I pulled the wig out, I was like, oh nah, this different. Nah, they coming with it. Like, this different. This is raw hair. Raw hair. They didn't stick some plastic on hair. This is raw hair. I would definitely recommend this hair. And yeah, I'm gonna have all the links to Megalook as well as this unit down in the bottom bar. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you have any questions from me, definitely hit me up down in the comments and I will get back to you. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know if this is a unit you would get, how you would style it. Let's chat. Like, let's chat. Show you girls some support. I love y'all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye y'all.